Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a super easy Christmas centerpiece that is going to be a showstopper. I found this beautiful vase glass container at Goodwill, and that is a great place to find these. These can be pretty expensive. I did find some affordable ones on Amazon that I will be linking in the description, but a great place to look for these is thrift stores and Goodwills. So what we're gonna do is we're going to take this, and then I found these at Walmart. I'll be linking these plus other color options in the description. Right, so we are going to be taking these ornaments, layering them in here. And as we are laying these, we are going to take these twinkle lights and we are going to place these inside. Okay, so as we are layering the ornaments, we are going to take these twinkle lights and we are just going to shove these in between. As you can see, I just layered these in, and you'll just tuck this behind the vase wherever you put it. But look how beautiful this is. So simple and so beautiful. And let me make it a little bit darker in here. Alrighty, now you can see. So now you can see what it looks like when it's a little bit darker, but look how beautiful this is. And all I did was take the timer and put that in the back so that you can't see it. So it's just tucked behind the ornaments. But this is such a statement centerpiece, such a statement piece of decor that is so easy and so affordable to make. I absolutely love it. And you can do it with any colors and it won't take you a long time at all. So I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I did. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of my upcoming holiday DIYs and easy Christmas recipes. See you in the next video.